G'day guys, this is the A650 Lite. It's a simple pouch, attaches to the belt using a Velcro tab. Lid opens up, lid can be tucked in and out of the way, almost as though there is no lid. It's A6, meaning A6 paper size, and 50 refers to the depth of the pouch, 50 millimeters. So A650 fits 2 radios, varying models and brands, obviously, or just a bunch of miscellaneous stationery items. This one is actually pretty good for things like dog treats. We've got some of those, or crew treats as well, but I already ate the banana, so I can't demonstrate that. But yeah, lid goes on. That's it.